This is made for Windows 7, deleting the Internet history. Bring up Internet Explorer, however you like. Wait for it till it loads a page, or it might say no page to load, depending on your internet. Once it comes up to your quote-unquote home page, go to Tools, delete browsing history. I have already checked everything that I want to do. So now we just hit delete. And we wait. There'll be a little sign that comes up. Sometimes. There it is. Internet Explorer has finished deleting the selected browsing history. Okay, if you want to continue looking at stuff, just close that. If not, just close all of Internet Explorer. Hit the X. Boop, done. Okay, you've just deleted whatever was selected. Basically, your internet history. Okay, now we want to run a Scandisk. Now you have to come to the Start menu. In this particular instance, okay, for this thing, this way of getting to it, come to All Programs. Now we want to go into Accessories. Okay, it's just below all of this list of programs. First folder. Open it up. Go down the list to near the bottom of the pretty icons. Windows Explorer. Click on that. Okay, now in the left pane, this is what the whole screen should look like in some way. It's My Computer or Windows Explorer. Now look for something that says C. Could be a different letter, but more than likely your boot hard drive for the computer that we're going to Scandisk is going to be named C or some letter. Now we got to come down to Properties, this list here. I right-clicked. Oh, I probably should have said something. Right-click on it using the right mouse button. Come down to Properties, left-click. Comes up with this menu. Now, Windows XP had one too. Not as particular, not as many features. So did Vista, but Vista started with the more features. This is 7. Okay, Tools. Error checking. You hit Check Now. You select both of these boxes. Click, click, and you hit Start. Click, and it sort of disappears after that. And what that does is that will, once you start it, after the reboot, before it starts Windows, it will do your Scandisk in a black and white screen until it's done. Whatever it finds, whatever it fixes, then it's done. And it'll continue to boot Windows. Okay, so now we want to defrag. Our computers is booted back up after it's ran Scandisk at the reboot. It's now at the desktop, whatever your desktop is, doesn't matter. Go back to the Start menu. Programs. Accessories. There's a box that just came up, don't mind it. Come back to Windows Explorer. Click on it, bring it up. Go back to the drive letter C and go to Properties, Tools, and Defragment Now. Now there's no, don't bother looking, okay? There's no Windows XP, System Tools. Watch this make a fool of me. Defragmenter. Oh, it is. It is there. Okay, so that's the easier method. But your edition of Windows might not have it. So let's finish here with our Tools menu. defragment now. Defragment disk. Okay, and I'm just going to make it small. There's no happy rainbow coloring DOS style or Windows 95, 98 ME style of disk defragmenter. That's gone. No longer pretty. This is the Microsoft product, not any other edition. Okay, and just hit OK to get rid of the menu while it disk defrags. Now I'll go back to this icon that just made a fool of me. Okay, so we're going to come back to the Start menu. Okay, Start menu, Programs. Now yours may not have this. Okay, it may not have that feature. Accessories, it depends on how Windows has been installed. Come down to System Tools and look for Disk Defragmenter. Okay, it's going to be the same program that we just did, which is this guy. It's not going to launch because it's right there, and it's running Disk Defragmenter. Okay, and right here it says stop. That means it's continuing. See, it says running. All right, I just let it run. When it's done running, then you close it, reboot, go play with your Facebook, whatever. You may consider single tasking with disk defragment. You'll have to single task, only do one at a time thing with the Scandisk because nothing else can run in that mode. So it'll be running Scandisk. There's nothing else you can do about it. There you go. That's how to erase your internet history. That guy. Making less files on the hard drive, how to run a Scandisk, rebooting, and then running disk defragment when you're done. Thank you.